What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today it's not a whole lot going on. It's after Mother's Day, and for some odd reason, that's the thing. On Mother's Day, there's a lot of tool deals, or a moderate amount. But so it's after that day, so a lot of tool deals are gone, but we still have a few. First off, though, I just want to say in the Facebook group, y'all have been tearing this plasma cutter and welder deal up. I didn't really chime in much because I don't know anything about welding. So some of you got it for $27. The rest of you got it for like 60 something dollars, and it was basically like same day or next day delivery. That was insane. So that's that. It's not working for a lot of people. I hear the code is a one-time use deal, but yeah, I heard mixed reviews on these things, so I'm not going to say anything. If you want to check that out, just join the Facebook group and see what everybody's talking about. Again, I don't know anything about welding to even say anything about this. So moving on, let's go over to Ace. Ace has I'll leave this page up, and you could just go through it and look for like some special deals for Ace Rewards members. You also have Rakuten. For some odd reason, Rakuten is not pulsating or change colors, but there is a Rakuten here, and you still, that $40 is still live. It was supposed to end yesterday, but it's still live. So take advantage, because this thing will disappear at any moment. So you have your $40 cash back in addition to 2% cash back over at Ace. And then here's a few deals I picked up that were decent. You have this kit right here, this Milwaukee M12 kit. I haven't told about M12 stuff in a long time. This is non-fuel. They're not super duper powerful, but they are super compact. Great for electricians and HVAC technicians and stuff like that. This impact driver only does 1,000 inch-pounds. Even though that sounds like nothing, you gotta keep in mind like 1,500 on that's like for driving deck screws. Okay, if you doing average like sheet metal work and stuff like that, this is perfectly fine. You want the smallest, most compact thing. Same for the drill, decent little drill. Small, compact batteries. There are better 12 volt things out like dewalts and even Metabos. Not Metabo HPT, obviously, they don't have a 12 volt line, but Metabo, German Metabo. But their battery systems are a little bulky, a little bootylicious. So these work a little bit better, even though the handles are fat. So I don't know. These are still more compact, or you can get the Bosches. So anyway, this is actually $99. Once you add it to cart, it'll be $99. Let's go to the cart so I can show you. And of course, you have to be a Ace Rewards member, and it's free to sign up. So just sign up for that. It's instant, and once you get there, you see it's that's for some batteries. Those are $99 too. Don't worry about this battery. I don't know why these in my cart. These are 3 amp hour batteries, and no, just 4 amp hour maybe. So here we go. It's $99. This is usually the price for this during the holidays, so it's a nice little holiday reward. In addition to your, like I said, your Rakuten, your 2% cash back, and your $40 cash back. Use the link in the description to sign up for this free cashback extension. You'll get $40 when you make a $40 purchase plus the 2% cash back. So moving on, here's another one. I showed you guys this before. I'm about to go use this right now. As soon as I finish this video, I'm going out there to change the wheel bearings on the FJ, and I will let you know how this goes, how this thing works. I like the handle. It looks nice. We'll see. Moving on. This is holiday prices again. Well, the old version dropped down to like $179 during the holiday, but usually they were $199 for this M12. And again, I'm not a huge fan of the M12 impact drivers or the drills, because I don't like the ergonomics. I don't like the way they feel in my hands, but some of you love it. This is that traditional kit, 4 amp hour battery, 2 amp hour battery. This is the XC battery, so you'll get more power out of the 4 amp hour battery. Hammer drill and impact driver, and this is the new gen 199 there. And again, of course, you have your Rakuten, so that sweetens the deal a lot more. This is not a bad deal. I showed you guys this like a week ago. It was on some BOGO, but just buying it alone, it's $169, and this is usually $219. So that's a good deal on this dewalt jigsaw. Very good jigsaw there. And then this is, I mean, nothing to write home about. It's been $129 since it came out. I want to say maybe during the holiday last year. This last holiday season, it might have been $99 one time, but 119 is basically $10 off. Ignore this 169. It's normally 129 everywhere. This 119, and again, your Rakuten makes it a lot better. Let's go on over to Olight. So Olight sent me this Perun 2. This came out. Availability is May 16th. That would be tomorrow, but I guess I don't know. Maybe on the other side of the earth, it's tomorrow already. I don't know. So it looks like you can add this to your cart now. So I was trying to I want to compare this to the Sofern. Is that the name of them? The Sofern lights? Because I asked people what is a good alternative to the Olights. They said that those are good too, and they're a little cheaper. But they sent me this. It's a right angle flashlight. And at first, when I got it out of the box, I was thinking, okay, what am I gonna do with this? This is weird holding it this way. But it's a great little flashlight when you think about it, because it has this clip, and I can clip it to my shirt or my pocket. That's what it was made for, to be hands-free. It's a hands-free flashlight, has 3 different settings. This thing also has right here, there's a little sensor. It has 2 sensors. So it has a proximity and heat sensor. So if it's real close to something, if it's like real enclosed in something, it could get hot and overheat. So it'll shut down after 1 minute to prevent itself from overheating. And then also it has this light sensor. So let's say you have it on the highest setting, but then step into a well-lit area. You step outside or something like that. It will dim itself to conserve battery, and it's really fast. Like, it works really, really good. I was shining it at a light that I had on. It would instantly dim, and then I take it away from the light, and it'll light up again. Really, really good flashlight. Really smart. I like it a lot. I think if you were to spend $68 on this. Now that 102 probably not, but the $68 you might be like when you buy it, but then when you get it you'll be like and you forget all about the $68. You feel like, man, this was worth it. So I like it. It's on sale right now. It comes with a little freebie. You get your Rakuten, and I do believe I have a promo code. I'll leave that in the description. I think it's TD10, Tool Deals 10. TD10 should get you 10% off. Matter of fact, let's try it right now. Let's try it right now. Let's go to the shopping cart. I think I had it in there. And let's try. Oh, okay, so they won't let you buy it. They won't let you buy it today. You got to wait till tomorrow. All right, so you got to wait till tomorrow. Never mind. Look at that. Retail Me Not got it. TD10. Tool Deals 10 from Retail Me Not. Yes. It's 10% off. So wait till tomorrow. It'll be live tomorrow. Anyway, moving on. So moving on over to Advanced Auto Parts. Look, I showed you guys before it was 15% cash back. It's 20% cash back with an additional that $40 bonus when you sign up over at Advanced. I know I need a lawnmower battery. If you don't do anything, try to just get like some batteries for your tractor or something like that. I don't have anything else to buy, but if you need something from Advance, today's the day to get it, because you're getting a whole lot back. And let's use Retail Me Now, because I think we have some extra. There were some extra coupon codes. There we go. So if you buy the stuff online, you use 3May, you'll get 15% off. Then you'll get 20% cash back. Plus, again, if you new, you'll get a bonus $40 cash back. Yo. Take full advantage of Advanced Auto Parts today. I'm going to buy a battery, and I don't even know what size battery I need, which is unfortunate. But I'm going to try to just guess for that tractor. All right, moving on. We almost done. We're going on over to Amazon. Now, you guys might remember this Bosch 5-in-1 drill. It was at Tractor Supply, where they mislabeled it. They had this marked down like $79 or $69, but they were giving everybody like the 140 FCB, which was the brush version, which still was a great deal. It was a fantastic deal, but a lot of us was disappointed we took it back, which I regret doing. But this is $149. It's normally $229. This is a great deal for this, even though at Tractor Supply, some of y'all actually got the $300 and it was crackhead price, but clearly those was glitches. But $149 is a solid sale deal for this. Moving on. Finally, we have this Bosch high torque impact, which again rivals the Milwaukee 2767. And it has a few extra bells and whistles as well for $176.97. Now, Lowe's does price match Amazon. So think of a way to finagle this thing to get this marked down to $176 and still get the starter kit. But they had the starter kit or the two 8 amp hour batteries are back. You can choose the two 8 amp hour batteries. That's what you want to do. This and two 8 amp hour batteries. Boom, you be in there for $176. I would suggest maybe trying to go to the store. So look down here and see what stores have it available. Everything in store. Going to the store and at the register showing them, hey, at Amazon this is $176. And if they try to say, oh, we don't, it got to be sold by Amazon. Now this is gonna kind of suck because, well, there you go. You see it sold by Amazon for $176.97. That is weird. When I first went to this, it changed it. So make sure you go down there and see other sellers on Amazon. I don't know why it's defaulting to this random person instead of Amazon, but buy it from Amazon. Sold by Amazon, $176. They will price match that. If you try to do it online, it's going to be a little weird because, I mean, you might try to go in chat and try to get them to adjust the price in the cart. I know they can't do that. Once you add the cart, they'll adjust the price in the cart, and then you use your Rakuten again because you get 2% cash back plus that $40. Or if you've already gotten that bonus, use Retail Me Now because Retail Me Now will be 3% cash back. And that is truly how you maximize your savings. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Now see you guys next time.